want to learn how to make these jumbo cards, keep watching. First, you're going to need a front and a back. I have these templates available on my website. You're going to need a cardboard foam. I got this from Dollar Tree. You're going to need the clear treat box. I got it from Amazon. You're also going to need a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. I'm using a hot glue gun, but I would recommend that you use thick double-sided tape. I just didn't have any on hand, so that's why I use that. I use glossy sticker paper to print my images on, so I'm going to remove a sticker from the backing and I'm going to place it on the cardboard on the foam, the cardboard, and I'm going to cut the access. To print my images, I use my Epson Eco Tank. It's a 2760 model, and it's a regular inkjet printer. I use that on glossy paper, and it was the glossy setting. My printer only prints at 8.5 by 11, so that's what my card is. The clear boxes that I'm using for the treat, it is a 5 by 5 by 2. So the square that I have, the little squiggly red lines, that box, I made it at a 5 by 5, so my clear box can fit on top of it comfortably. I did make a bit of a mistake here. I didn't put my sticker paper over far enough, so I had some excess kind of like hang it over, but it's not a big deal because we're just going to cut it off anyway, and I have plenty of room on the design to be able to cut some off, and nobody's going to be the wiser. So I use my large ruler to help me hold down my design while I cut it on top of my memory foam mat. So all you have to do is cut off the excess, and then once you're done with the front, you're going to do the back the same exact way. Line it up as best as you can. Take the sticker off of the backing and place it on the back side and line it up. If you need to cut a little bit of the excess, you can. If you want to watch me design this, I'm going to put that at the end, but if you want to watch that, you can. And like I said, I have this design available on my website. If you want to go ahead and use this template, you can. All you have to do is change out the name at the top. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to speed through. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit, but you still can watch along and watch me finish designing it and putting the candy in the treat box. Thank you for watching. Bye.